We weren't sure if we could make something better than what was already on the market. We couldn't be sure if we could make something affordable, accessible, and we sat down and looked at the numbers, did some engineering work, and some testing, and we put together some experiments, like the first EStack, which is in this leg extension here. In the beginning, we didn't think EStack was going to be a rack-mounted cable pulley system. We didn't know if it was going to be inside of other pieces of equipment. I know that personally, I love the idea of a digital weight leg extension, and so that's somewhere that made a lot of sense to start. So the very first EStack is in this machine right here. This machine wasn't meant to be something to release to the public. It was meant to be like a test bed. What should EStack look like? How would it work in a piece of isolation equipment? And we put this big Raspberry Pi powered display on it. We have these handles that you have to compress in order to actuate the leg extension. A lot of interesting ideas went into it to figure out what should a machine like this be like. And along the way, after having conversations with manufacturers, we realized what might be more compelling is a pulley system. And that's why we released the EStack announcement video with a pulley system. But EStack itself is meant to really make anything powered by digital weight. EStack is a module. It's essentially a box that's built to be really easily plugged into different pieces of traditionally loaded equipment. We think eventually manufacturers will build new machines, new innovative pieces of equipment around EStack. And our goal is to make it cost comparable eventually with traditional weight.